get vegetables. This is the outfit. I was not planning on going anywhere today, so this is a dress I was gonna wear at home. Let's go.
I got a fabric spray and a angel.
Yeah, there's weird lines though.
Okay, you didn't want anything from here?
That's for you. That's for you. Oh my God.
Gonna do some writing, and yes, I'm putting on a sweater. I don't know why it's so chilly in here. Isn't it the best when it's fresh out of the dryer and it's like super warm? That's my favorite part. We're heading over to Costco to get some fireworks because it'll be Independence Day tomorrow.
Happy New Year!
I got these new blue light glasses, and honestly, I have no idea if they work. I don't think I've used them long enough for them to actually take effect. I was at Trader Joe's. I couldn't help but get some beautiful garden roses. How beautiful! I really like the palette of my outfit this day.
This is not gonna fit. Help.
I love getting used books. It just has that nice charm to it. I feel like I have a good half of my books are used books. Wow, I love it. It's so beautiful. Though I don't think it quite matches my room, but I love it so much that I cannot remove it.
Oh my goodness.
I like to clean up my room before I go to sleep. I just like having a nice clean room to sleep in.
That's gonna change. Oh my goodness.
Just read.
Oh, I'm gonna have a picnic tomorrow with my friends. I'm already making a cake for my mom. Or, yeah, this one. So I have another cake for tomorrow. 4. Let's poke. Oh, that's too big. Wow, here's the mixture, like the milk mixture. Did I tell you what I'm making? I'm making tres leches. I just need to soak it now.
These drunken eggs have been my favorite. I like using them for my meals because they're super simple, and all I have to do is take them out of the fridge. I've just been having that basically all week. So today is the day of the picnic. I prepped most of the food the day before. I prepped the eggs and the salmon because I wanted to have the food fresh by today. I didn't want the fridge taste in my egg sandwich. What are some other picnic ideas? These two are my favorite types of foods for picnic. I feel like I kind of want to try other ones.
I just want to eat. We need the angle.
Like, all really gonna eat all of this?
Yes. I have to show the tea.
You want more? I'm gonna pour myself more.
No thanks, I'm good.
You know, I didn't know that the barley had to be this type of barley to make barley tea. So I bought like the rice type of barley that's already like unpeeled.
Yeah.
It really works your stomach. If I'm okay with like the really
And then your
really good
crust.
strawberries.
Yes, they are. It's just like the spread. Like the spread looks really nice, even though
The spread's gone.
Another busy day, but I really did not show any of it. The lilies are blooming and they're huge, especially the anthers. Make sure to take that off with gloves because it'll just end up staining your whole room. That happened to me last year, I believe, or 2 years ago. I don't know. Top. But it was such a pain. Accessories. My charger and blue light glasses, if it does anything. Good morning. Like I don't even want to show anymore. Who's buying all the matcha? Lately, I've been putting myself in places I won't get easily distracted. Staying in my room sometimes gets me sleepy. I think it's just because this place is meant for sleep. I've been purposely moving myself out. Hello. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I was thinking about it, and I feel like it's just been a while. I don't think I've told you in a while how much you're appreciated and how proud and thankful I am for you and of you. But I'm always wishing you the best, and it's just, I hope that you're always reminded of how appreciated you are, even when it's not being said. I'm sending so much love your way, and I'll see you later. Have a good day. Bye. Your place, 'cause you're rotten within.